Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you create content for a business, YouTube channel, newsletter, website or personal brand, you will want NotebookLM to generate responses that match your brand's voice and style. By combining high quality source materials with NotebookLM's costume, chat and persona features, you can make the AI produce content that feels much closer to your established brand identity, okay? In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to match your brand style in NotebookLM in 2026, simple and effective. So first thing, create a dedicated brand notebook. Okay, so start by creating a notebook specifically for your brand, for example, company content library, YouTube channel research, newsletter style guide, marketing content hub. So one brand notebook creates a centralized knowledge base. Okay, you can also after that upload brand materials, like add examples of content that already reflect your style, for example blog articles, website pages, marketing emails, social media posts, video scripts, brand guidelines, content briefs. So NotebookLM learns your style from these sources, so the more examples you provide, the better the results. Okay, upload your brand guidelines, so if available include documents that define tone of voice, writing standards, audience profile, messaging principles, brand values. So these documents help NotebookLM stay aligned with your identity. Official guidelines create more consistent outputs. Okay, then configure a brand persona, like open configure chats and choose costume mode. Okay, so to create a persona such as brand content strategist, marketing copywriter, social media manager. Okay, so this gives NotebookLM a specific role. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.